Hi everyone, my name is Nihar and today I am excited to present my dashboard on post-race analysis for guiding and bridging driver and race engineer for post-race analysis. In racing, every millisecond counts, but teams often have data coming from multiple sources in various formats with no quick way to understand what actually happens during the race, whether it's sector performance, lap consistency, tire strategy, or comparing driver versus another driver. So meaningful insights are usually buried under thousands of rows of telemetry. This dashboard can mainly be divided into three sections. First is championship overview, then race analysis, and driver analysis. So here it is the first page, which is championship analysis. In championship is helpful to gauge upon overall standings of drivers and teams and their performance over the season, along with the points scored by them, along with its highlights, like for driver stats, which are important factors to consider for driver performance, such as average point per race, which the driver has driven, and contribution towards the team. Here you can filter the driver, such as let's see this one. So also we have continuous plot of how team was doing over the season, and this is the points scored by each driver in each session. We can also filter them by team. Going towards the next step, which is race analysis. So race analysis, this part of the dashboard provides overall race based on the fastest lap and average lap times, along with the race results, but in a more detailed way. So showing the gap times also here. These are the gap times for previous as compared to the previous driver. Also, along with the positioning of the driver, here you can see how each driver was positioned has taken someone else also during the between the sixth and seventh lap. Also, these are the fastest laps by the drivers in this particular race track. So here you can select the track and session. So see here, yeah. Going to the final page of our driver analysis, which is the telemetry analysis. Uh, Last but not least, this section which can show the telemetry data of multiple driver at a time um, at any given lap, making it possible to and compare them between each of them. And along with this, it also provides individual sector time. Here you can see to compare within the lab. So like if someone wants to see what were the duration of sector 1, sector 2, and sector 3, and among the drivers also. So here you can see the steering angle, gear, and speed and throttle uh, for the drivers. So from here you can select multiple drivers also. So let's say if I want to select this driver and remove this one, then I can do that also. So let's say another thing is if I want to see for the lap 7, this is the telemetry for lap 7. Apart from that, also to put cherry on top for our dashboard, we are also showing the track layout for the specific track. So let's say if I want to see for Kota, then this will be for Kota. Along with this, we are also able to see the temperature, humidity, and wind speed. So um, this is much more helpful to gaze upon and compare within drivers. So yeah, that was all.